What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the different shapes of sheet metal ductwork in the HVAC industry. If you're ready, let's get started. So as mentioned in the last video, we're using ductwork for heating, cooling, ventilation to distribute air through the buildings. And based on that, there are several different shapes and configuration of this ductwork that we're going to cover in this video. So the first one is rectangular or a square duct that you've seen it in most of the projects for the main duct from the air handling unit to the system. They come in various sizes and can be customized to fit specific requirements. The second one is a round duct or a spiral duct that most of the time, if you have exposed systems, we would like to go with round duct because it looks nicer and there are lots of advantages that we're going to talk about in the next slide. And the third one is oval duct, which is more expensive compared to rectangular duct, a square duct, or a round duct, but it's going to take the advantages of the round system and rectangular. So if I want to talk about the round ductwork versus rectangular, the first one is the smaller cross-sectional area for the round duct, which is going to cause the material, because if you look here, so for example, an 18-inch diameter duct, as far as the cross-sectional area, is smaller than a rectangular duct with 24 by 12 inch. Both can transfer the same airflow, right? So, but when you look at the sectional area, here we have 255 square inch of ductwork for this system. For this one, we have 286. So that means we need more material for this rectangular duct compared to this one. This is one of the advantages of the round systems. The second one is the cost. The cost of the round duct systems in US today is less than the rectangular duct. The next one is the insulation. So for example, for rectangular or square duct, which requires more material and more cross-sectional area, that means we need more insulation also. And you also see low leakage for the round duct compared to rectangular duct. So these are all the pros and cons of the round system. But for the rectangular or square duct, aspect ratio is one of the main advantages of this system that you can play with it. For the numbers, we're going to talk about in the next video, but this is one of the advantages of this system that you can play with the aspect ratio. If you have some architectural limitations, for example, the ceiling height is not that much, so you can play with the aspect ratio to change the sizes. Second one, acoustical purposes is one of the other things, because you can use liner, for example 1-inch liner inside the rectangular duct for the acoustical purposes to lower and reduce the noise and sound, but for the round duct, no way we can use liner. So this is another advantage of the square or rectangular duct. As far as the sound transmission, this is one of the cons of this system, because round duct can transmit or transfer low noise compared to rectangular duct. And as far as the oval duct, we talked about it, is going to be something between rectangular and round duct if you want to basically take advantage of the round duct, which is very similar to this one, okay? But as far as the cost, it's going to cost more than round duct or rectangular duct. And this is also another formula which is very simple. If you have the dimension of a rectangular duct, you can get the diameter of the duct. Now I have a quick question for you guys. Between these three shapes, which one has the lowest pressure drop? If you know the answer, please put it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends.